Hello everyone, I'm Alex, and in this tutorial I will show you how to resolve two common tasks in Excel with Microsoft Copilot. We will work with a table that includes the following columns: product key, product color, product size, and product price. The two tasks we will cover are detecting duplicates in a column, and second, extracting the top 3 values from a numerical column. Before you begin, make sure your data is formatted as an Excel table, also known as a smart table. This helps Copilot understand and interact with your data more effectively. Task 1, detecting duplicates in the product key column. Let's say we want to highlight duplicates values in the product key column. Click here and realize smart table with Ctrl T or insert table and OK. Good. Let's say we want to highlight duplicates values in the product key column. Click on the Copilot button in Excel and in the prompt area type the following prompt here. Highlight duplicates values in the product key column and send. Copilot will automatically apply conditional formatting to highlight the duplicates. Apply. And waiting for that. Yes, it's working. The second task, getting the top 3 values from the product price column. Now, let's extract the top 3 highest price from the product price column here. Copilot will return the top 3 values either in a new range or as summary depending on your data structure. The prompt for that task here, list the top 3 highest values from the product price column and send. Analyzing my data, top 3, okay, I have top 3. Add to a new sheet and that's it. There are just 2 simple examples of how Copilot can save time and improve accuracy in Excel. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.